What's poppin', everybody? Michael Lauder here from carpettools.com. Now, if you haven't gotten the list already, click the link below here. Get on the list. We're doing those drawings every other week to get, Home Depot gift cards, Amazon gift cards, something to keep things fun. And then I'll send you out a video sharing how you expand your small service-based business. So check this out. I am in the second floor of your traditional bungalow here. Over there, we got to do the fill piece. Got this half of the room set up. So we're gonna fill the side piece there, pad it, fill it, and then stretch it on, get it nice and tight. And then over here, we got a hallway off of it as well. So, and in this video, I'm gonna show you how to put the carpets together, how to cut your seams, all that good stuff. Some of it's gonna be in quick speed. Be sure to keep up. Hang tight, here we go.